Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for lemon pepper chicken wings. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some fresh chicken wings that I went ahead and washed in vinegar and lemon juice, and I seasoned lightly. I also have here some all-purpose flour. I'll be using some melted butter. I have some lemon pepper seasoning. I have the zest of 1 lemon. I have some seasoned salt, chicken bouillon, some more lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. So here's how I seasoned my chicken. Here I have the fresh chicken wings that I went ahead and washed and I patted dry, and I used some chicken bouillon, some lemon pepper seasoning, seasoning salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Very simple. I added all of the seasonings to the chicken wings. I mixed well and I let it sit for about 1 hour or 2 to marinate. If you have more time, you can let it sit for longer or even overnight. Next, we are going to make the lemon butter sauce for the chicken wings. We will start by adding the lemon zest, then we will add the lemon pepper seasoning. We will mix well and we will set aside. Now we will season our flour by adding all of the seasonings that we used to season the chicken wings to the flour. We will mix well and we will set it aside. Next, we will coat the chicken wings with the flour and make sure that they're all evenly coated. You want to shake off any excess flour because we want a thin layer of this flour on the chicken wings. We are making lemon pepper chicken wings, not KFC or Popeyes. You don't want that thick crust on the chicken wings. You want a very thin layer. So, make sure you shake it off, and we will continue this process until they are all done. Now that we are all done, we will head over to the stove and start frying our chicken wings. Next, we'll add the chicken to our preheated oil and we will allow them to fry until they become golden brown. You don't want your chicken to be burnt, so do not put your heat up too high. You want them to have a nice golden brown color, so you put your heat on medium and allow them to cook for about, let's say, 8 to 10 minutes. And once they have reached the desired color, we will remove them from the oil. And we will repeat the same process with the others until they are all done. Look how gorgeous they look. Look at that beautiful golden brown. So now we'll go ahead and brush the wings with that sauce that we made earlier. But first, I want to add some parsley flakes in here, just to add a pop of color. And then we will mix well and brush these wings with this lovely sauce. If you wish, you could actually toss the wings in the sauce, but I don't like doing that because I feel like it makes the wings soggy, and I like my wings to stay crunchy. So that's why I don't do that. I prefer to brush the sauce on the wings, and I will finish these up and I'll be back with the finished product. Okay guys, so this is my version of a delicious lemon pepper chicken wings. I do hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!